For decades, Adobe was the undisputed king of design software. Giants like Microsoft and Apple, armed with top talent, unlimited resources, and massive distribution, tried to compete and failed. But then came a 19-year-old girl with zero technical background, a psychology degree, and a crazy idea. Her name? Melanie Perkins. She didn't just challenge Adobe, she redefined the entire design industry. Today, Canva boasts 180 million users, 40 billion valuation. One of the youngest female billionaires. But how did a teenager with no coding skills outmaneuver tech titans? And why did Adobe's copycat attempts fail? Let's decode Canva's winning strategy, step by step. The problem that started it all. Scene flashback to Melanie teaching design classes in Australia. Melanie noticed something strange. Students kept dropping out. Why? Adobe's tools were too complex, required expensive high-power PSO, no pre-made templates, everything from scratch. Only pros could afford them. Her realization: design wasn't for everyone. Yet, chapter, the first bet, Fusion books. Seen early 2000s, Melanie and Cliff, her boyfriend co-founder, brainstorming. They started small, solving one niche problem: yearbook design for schools. Fusion books, launched in 2007. Simple drag-and-drop templates. No design skills needed. Within years, it became Australia's #1 yearbook publisher. Proof of concept. If we can simplify yearbooks, why not all design? Canva's genius move, the browser-first approach. Scene. Tech experts laughing at the idea of a browser-based design tool. Adobe's tools were desktop only. Canva flipped the script. Browser-first advantages. No powerful PC needed Maui cloud processing. No piracy issues. Always online. Instant updates. No downloads. Mobile-friendly. Launched app in 2016, way before Adobe. But critics called it impossible. Why? Back then, browsers couldn't handle design, needed Adobe Flash. Slow internet made it impractical. Then were 3 game-changing events. 1.1 HTML5 launched. 2012. Browsers could now render graphics natively. 2 to social media, boom. Small businesses needed quick, easy designs. 3 cloud computing, AWS, Azure. Canva scaled globally overnight. Sarks why Adobe failed to kill Canva. Scene, Adobe Spark, later Express, versus Canva. Side-by-side comparison. Adobe tried copying Canva and failed. Here's why. Canva's 4 killer strategies. 1. Crowdsourced templates. Anyone could create cell designs. Adobe, only in-house. 2. SEO domination. Millions of templates ranked on Google for every design search. Needs paywall on export. Let users design first, pay later. Adobe, pay up front. Form third-party integrations. Used existing tools. Adobe built everything from scratch. Result? Canva's Cartoon Network effect became unstoppable. The future. AI wars begin. Scene. Canva's AI features versus Adobe Firefly. Now, both are racing for AI dominance. Canva. Integrates third-party AI tools. Faster, cheaper. Adobe builds its own AI, Firefly. Who will win? Shoe. Final takeaway, Canva's winning formula. Solve a real pain point. Democratize design. Bet on the future. Browser first, mobile, cloud, leverage networks, crowdsourcing, SEO, integrations. Stay agile. While Adobe plays catch-up, Canva didn't beat Adobe at its own game. It changed the game. Outro, call to action. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button and then subscribe for more business breakdowns. Comment below. Who do you think will dominate AI design, Canva or Adobe?